Hey, what's up guys? RJ Montoya here. So today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite books that I use to help me work out. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so knowledge is power. Knowledge is power, it truly is. Sometimes when you're working out, if you don't know what you're doing, especially if you're a beginner, someone's got to either teach you or you're going to have to learn it yourself. I'm going to go over a few books that I like to use, which have helped me in my journey. I've been working out since I was 19 years old, joined the Marine Corps when I was 19, 37 now, and I'm still out there doing my thing. So anyway, right now it's the era of the COVID, right? It's very difficult to get a workout in. When the COVID first hit, I was like on the website with Rogue Fitness trying to get me a rack put in my garage, and it was just difficult. People are selling dumbbells for like $200. It's just crazy. So I guess I know what to invest in next time there's a pandemic, right? So here's a great magazine. This one came out, man, it says display until August 18, 2020. Wow. Anyway, it's from Men's Health, and basically it says no gym required. So I love Men's Health because they have a lot of great articles when it comes to purchasing equipment. This one says get athletic, 6 weeks sweat it off. There's a bunch of different tips in here, how to do cardio, calisthenics, body weight training exercises. It goes step by step, running, cardio, how to do knee tuck half extensions, pull up lateral raises, stuff like that. Anyway, reason I like this because it says no gym required. So there's a lot of ways you can work out in your garage, in your patio, maybe getting some sandbags, just get you some play sand and put it in a duffel bag, put it over your shoulders and do some lunges, calisthenics at the park, pull-ups, push-ups, running, jogging. So there's all kinds of tools in this magazine, and every now and then they come out with like a special edition. This one's called Arms and Abs. So this one's really good because it's specific. It's gonna try to get you 6-pack. That goes a lot with nutrition, about mobilization here, crunches. I mean, look at this. This guy's at the playground and he's just, at the park right there playing. Take your kids, play with them too, run around. It talks about eating more fish oil. I eat a lot of fish oil. Man, I eat a lot of fish oil every day. When I'm not eating baked tilapia, I still have my fish oil pills, which is good for your body. Those omega-3 fatty acids, good for your brain. They say it kills cancer. I'm a big believer of it. This is a special edition. I don't know if you can still find it. This was 2015. Look at that. 2015, and I still have this magazine because why? Knowledge is power. You never stop learning. If you stop learning, that's when you stop growing. Okay? I'm going to get to the third one. I told you this is going to be a quick video, but it's a good one. The third book, and I purchased this book, man, I don't know, probably 10, 12 years ago, something like that. It's still available. It's probably updated by now. I love this book, and I'll tell you why I love this book, because this is the reason that I was able to stay in shape when my metabolism slowed down. Now, if you're a young man and you're under 25, you're good to go. Your metabolism is hot. You probably got a 6-pack. You can eat anything and you're fine. The real workouts happen when your metabolism slows down. This is the Body Sculpting Bible for Men. I love this book. This book is made by a bodybuilder. Reason I love this book, and here I'll show you, like, I'm not even lying to you, like, I take notes, I've made note cards. They have it talks about the anatomy, muscle group, working out depending on what you want to do. It also has like a little planner there where you can write down how to put your meals down, what to eat. It's got an exercise chart, and it has a 14-day advanced workout. It has a 6-week advanced workout, all this stuff. But what I love about it also, in the beginning, it talks a lot about common myths and misconceptions, fat burning creams, weight loss clinics. Here's a good one. It says, if you stop weight training, your muscles turn into fat. This is what it says. It says, in reality, what is happening is that muscle is being lost and fat is being accumulated, which is so true. So weight training makes you stiff. If you perform all exercises through their full range of motion, your flexibility will increase. So it's got all kinds of tips and tricks. It talks about low carb, high protein, fat diets, the good, the bad, the power of the mind, powerful methods of achieving success, mind sculpting imagery. And then what I love about it, because I'm a visual person, is it shows you, goes over how to do the workout, breathing, inhaling, exhaling, and then there's pictures. These are black and white, but who cares, I mean, this is a really good book. And when I purchased this book was up updated. So I'm pretty sure it's 2020. This one's going to be even more updated. There's also one for women. I know because I bought one for my wife. I love this book because it talks about what you should eat. It talks about what you shouldn't eat. It talks about fake diets, these cheat diets, sugar pills. And at the end of the day, you just need to do the work. You just need to eat healthy. You need to learn how to cook for yourself. Stop eating all this fast food gunk and just get in a good gym that has good workout equipment, that they're not suckering you in with pizza day and donut day and all that nonsense. And don't be afraid to ask questions, okay? So here's a secret here. I learned how to do barbell squats and squats and deadlifts by asking a friend of mine who's a female and who works on her legs. And I wasn't ashamed. I said, hey, I don't know how to do this. You know how to do it. And I don't want to break my back, hurt my spine. Now, I do pretty well. I can lift pretty heavy when it comes to squats and whatnot, but never be scared to ask. So anyway, check out this book. Check out those magazines. Knowledge is power. Never stop learning. If you found any knowledge in this video, please like, please share, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Now get out of here and be productive.